You don't need Jarvis from Iron Man to have your own AI assistant. You can build one today with zero coding. Step 1. Use Notion plus Notion AI. Create a daily dashboard with tasks, calendar, notes. Add Notion AI to auto-summarize, write content, and give suggestions. Step 2. Use Zapier to connect everything. Link Notion to Gmail, Slack, Google Calendar, and even ChatGPT. Now your assistant updates tasks, sends reminders, and even replies to emails. Step 3. Add voice with Voiceflow or Cascade AI. These tools let you talk to your assistant. Ask, "What's on my agenda?" Get instant, smart responses. You now have a 24/7 productivity assistant. No dev skills, no big costs. Just AI doing what it does best. If you like this, imagine what we're dropping tomorrow. Hit subscribe and build your AI-powered life, one tool at a time.